In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section called Special Function. This one. Now scroll again and this time click on App Clone. Over here all you need to do is click on gray switcher next to any supported app you wanna clone. Then wait. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Unfortunately, this DOOGEE limits you to clone only supported apps. If you want to delete any of your clones, you can do that like you would any other app. Or you can go back to the same settings and click on the now green switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!